May I please request Marhoom Mohammad Zaka Rahman, who was the two-time former chairman of PPMA and former CEO of Shazoo Zaka Private Limited. May I request Zaka Saab's son, Hamid Mohammad Zaka, to join me on stage and say a few words about his father. In case, I'm sure you all know, he recently passed away. May I please request his son to come on stage and give just a 2-minute overview on, it's not enough to cover the achievements and accomplishments in his life, but I think this will be very, very well. Can we please give this young man a very, very big round of applause, please?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone, our honorable chief guest, and all my seniors of the pharmaceutical industry, all the government officials. I'm standing here with a very heavy heart, and I wish it were under better circumstances. As you all know, my father, Mia Muhammad Zaka Rahman, passed away recently. It was very untimely and shocking for family and friends. And I've been called up here to say a few words about him. Those of you who might have known him know that he was a very kind and gentle soul. This was Allah's will, and who are we to question it? But those of you who interacted with him knew that he always had a very warm and welcoming smile. He had a very positive aura, a positive energy around him. And with that positivity, he touched many people from the industry and the outside. He served the pharmaceutical industry for over 30 years. He served twice as the chairman of the PPMA, once as chairman of PPMA North, and countless times in the ZEC and CEC of the PPMA. The question is, why was he given this place of authority so many times? And the thing that all of you will agree with me on is that he was extremely trustworthy and he was selfless. He always put the industry first and not himself. And him, along with all the seniors of the pharmaceutical industry, had a joint vision for Pakistan pharmaceuticals. And that was export focused. Even in the last year and a half, he went to Sri Lanka with the Prime Minister on the trade delegation. He went to Kenya with Abdul Razak Daud Saab on a trade delegation. So he saw a vision for the pharmaceutical industry, and may Allah Ta'ala guide all of us and push us forward to achieve that. Apart from the pharmaceutical industry, one thing that he mentioned again and again to me was, कि बेटा दुनिया एक हाथ में, दीन एक हाथ में, यही तरक्की का रास्ता है. And that is what he strived for throughout his life. He had a very strong religious inclination. He was very passionate about his family's religious efforts and philanthropic efforts. Many of you may already know that for the last 30 years, he, along with his siblings, had a non-profit organization by the name of Zaka Rahman Hajj and Umrah Group, and they served thousands of pilgrims who wanted to go for Hajj and Umrah. Apart from that, he was involved with a lot of religious institutions and mosques in Lahore and other cities as well. Finally, that balance between deen and dunya was very important to him, and he was definitely prepared for the day that he departed from this world. But unfortunately, me, the rest of his family and his friends were not. People have come to pay their respects and their condolences, and they are full of praise for him, that he was a warm, honest, humble, and hardworking person. All his friends, family, industry colleagues, and the Hajis who went with him. And this brings us a lot of comfort that he is definitely in a better place. In the end, I would like to request all of you to pray for his maghfirat and pray for me and the rest of my family. We have very big shoes to fill. Pray that Allah Ta'ala gives us the strength and the capacity to carry on his hard work and the relationships with all of you and others, and to honor his name and his legacy. Thank you all very much. Jazakallah.
Thank you very much, sir.